Guys, welcome back. Today I'm outside my dad's house, or both mom and dad's house. My house is what dad's in. Look at this. Yeah, that's how high I'm up. And that's the bad thing about it. Oh, my back hurts like that. But guys, I hope you guys are enjoying all these videos and stuff. My hair's weird. I hope you guys are enjoying all the videos and stuff, like other things. The wind's blowing right here, but hope you guys enjoyed all these videos and what I've been doing. Another vlog today. Up I know. See, my dad's going out to work, so I'm gonna have to give him his phone in a minute. So you might hear him say, "Give me my phone." Hey, I'm gonna go over here quick. I'm trying. Look. Look, I gotta go down from right there all the way. Here we go. Alright, I'm gonna go right here. I'm gonna skip in the video until I'm at a spot. I hear screaming. I heard, I heard like a girl. I was like, ah, and it stopped. And my neighbors are over there, and I hear them breaking something. Well, guys, I hope you've been enjoying all these videos. I hope you guys have been enjoying all these videos and all the content I've been making. And I keep hearing that. Oh God, they're coming. Oh God, hold on. They're back. Guys, I'm running. I think I have enough time. Oh my God, it's a crazy vlog, isn't it? Okay. Guys, oh my God, that was the scariest thing ever. But guys, I hope you've been enjoying like the content I'm making, and all like. Now I'm pretty much making like a video about me going to Burger King, trying out a Whopper on this channel. You see him? Do you see? That's my broken down car. You see him? You see the little butts? Yeah. But guys, yeah, try out a Whopper soon. I'm gonna try out all that. I've been wanting to like do a lot of things, like do a lot of other things, like I really don't know. Like trying out a Whopper, talking about some more how I got through Minecraft and more. I already uploaded that video, but I'm gonna talk about some more on it. But and I'm going to like go with my friends somewhere, have my dad's phone with me, or have somebody else's phone with me so I can make a video on here and stuff. So yeah. So I might do that with my dad's phone or my own when I get one, but some kind of soon. Yeah, guys, I just hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so I don't miss anymore. And a happy late Easter. Yeah, Easter already passed, but I forgot to mention it. Yeah, I forgot to mention it. I forgot to mention that too. I'm making a video on the next thing. I'm gonna try to keep this vlog channel up. So yeah, guys. And I have a lot of other channels I gotta keep up with. I'm gonna upload a video after this one on the Music 101. It's Music Space 100, and that's it pretty much. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Not vlog, well, no, I don't care. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and like and do all that. And I'll see you guys in the next one, guys. So, bye. I know it was cringy, but yeah, bye.